Okay, this is going to be the proper way to trade stock pullbacks. I'm going to make it super easy and super clean. So first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is start on my monthly time frame and see how far away I am from all-time highs. Okay, we want to be buying low and selling high. That's going to be really, really important. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out all-time highs because that's going to show me the distance between current price and where price has topped out at the current maximum. Okay, so from now we have 14 points in between current price and all-time highs. That's a lot of points for a double-digit stock. Okay, so we have to see the distance between current price and all-time highs because we need to measure out the amount of profit that's left. Okay, we do not want to be trading at all-time highs or past all-time highs. We want to make sure there's a gap, an upwards gap in between current price and all-time highs. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my monthly here. And here, I'm going to go ahead and just start analyzing the trend. So I can see that we IPO'd over here. Okay, over here is going to be where market decided to open at. Okay, market decided to open within this zone here at this point. Okay, so knowing that, we could see market started here, went in the upwards direction, came down, bottomed out here. Okay, so we could see price just wicking off of these zones here, headed in an upwards direction. Wick, wick. Okay, these areas here where price decides to bottom out at, these are going to be called support zones. Okay, wick, wick. Okay, go ahead and drag it over here. Okay, all price does is mirror old price action. Okay, so let me go ahead and drag this over here. We can see if I put a line here, this area of support came from this hard area of resistance here. And then we have another support candle over here where price decides to stop out at up here. Okay, so this resistance, this support turned this into heavy support here. And then this area of support and buying over here made price buy again over here. Okay, now our job is to continuously catch the next pullback, close that resistance. Next pullback, close that resistance. It's all you have to do. Buy low, sell high, make it easy, don't make it hard. So I'm going to go down to my daily here, get the broader view. I'm going to look at current price and see what's going on here. Okay, so overall, I know the trend is bullish because we here, once again, just support mirrored here. Okay, as we can see, price headed in an upwards direction once it came down into this green zone. Okay, price came down to the green zone, bounced up. Just like right here, price came down to the green zone, decided to bounce up. All price does is mirror old price action. Cool, so that already happened. No big of a deal. Let's catch the next area. So the next area here, I'm going to go down to my 4-hour. And we're going to get the full broad view here. So actually, I'm going to stay on my daily. Mark out the area of resistance where I know price wants to go up to and top out at. So I know price is going to want to fall down in this area here. Okay. So this is going to be take profit 1. It's going to be this area of resistance here where we see price falling down at multiple times. Okay, so we got this support here. And as you scale down on your time frames, you're going to be able to see things very clearly. Okay, just don't make it hard. So we know TP is going to be up here. This is going to be like the first main TP. First, we need to get past this small TP zone here. Okay, and then after we break this, we're going to be able to get up here. So as you can see, price decided to retrace just a little bit. So let me go ahead and drag this up here. Move this up. There we go. So this zone here is going to be the TP where price wants to run into right now. Okay, so now I'm going to look below current price. Look at where price hasn't really pulled back yet. I kind of like this zone here. Either this zone here. It's not going to be this zone here, because as you can see, this zone here already bounced. So it's not going to be down here. So I need to look a zone above this zone, but below current price. This could be it, potentially. Pro entry. So I'm really liking this zone here. We kind of have a pro entry over here. I'm going to zoom in on it. And then I like how we have the support here. So I'm going to make this my zone here. Right here, I'm going to zoom in really hard. Here, we kind of do have a pro entry here off of this. I like that a lot. Big fan. Okay, and pro entry a lot of times when I'm going to see green, red wick, and then into green price action again. So green with green. And then guess what, too? Right on this level, we're also going to have some resistance, too. I love this level a lot. So when I see support and resistance on the same level, I'm going to be confident that this is going to be a pullback level here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if price wants to run down into the support zone here. Okay, and give us a reaction based off of everything that happened in the past. So I'm going to go and just put a line here. Drag over to the left. And I really like how this red wick is right off the red line too. So this is, yeah, that's great. And then we have, once again, the resistance zone over here too. So I'm really a big fan of this level here. Make it a little smaller. Okay. And then once again, we have like this area of support down here too, which I really am a big fan of too. So it's just so much buying in this whole zone here. A lot of buying in just the whole zone. So I think when price come back down into this red line-ish area, around here, we should see a wick off the support and then get a next pullback up here. So yeah, but I'm going to need price to come in contact with these resistances here first so that we can get some bearish price action. Once we get into these zones, we should see some bearish price action. Price should go up, down, up. Okay. And that's just what I would do. I would just set my alerts and then just wait for the bank. So even same thing here on ETH. I wanted to catch this yesterday. On ETH, I had this exactly marked out. Same thing. Look what happened as soon as I put this here on ETH. I put the alert here, wicked right off of the zone, blasted crazy. And I just put this here yesterday. So as you can see, all I did was look to the left, put these areas of support here. Price came back down, bought off of it. Boom. Too easy. Not hard. I play the same way on all markets. I play the same exact way on everything I look at. I'm playing the exact same way. Okay, just don't make it hard. Don't make it like more difficult than it needs to be, and just like make it easy on yourself. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna be how to catch the pullbacks of stocks.